This is my Galaxy Tab A, and today I'll be showing you how to access the apps. This is the default launcher, and I find it kind of annoying. It's not intuitive at all. So you can slide to the left, takes you to this like shortcuts like thingy. Sliding it to the right takes you to the desktop icons, and you can press this to see all your open apps. But how do you really look at all the apps that you have? It's not very intuitive. Well, it's very simple. You don't even have to watch the video. I'm going to put in the description. We've got Galaxy Tab A running whatever Android version. I'll check the Android version settings again. You just slide up. Yep. Before I was pressing a bunch of these buttons over here, but it's actually all you have to do is slide up to get to all the apps. Or slide down. And see, I'm that stupid. STUPIED. But anyways, if you want to access all the different apps, just slide up or down. That's it. That should hopefully help some people. I don't think this is an general Android vanilla thingy. I think it's like Samsung's way of doing things. I think. So I'm just going to put in the description Galaxy Tab A, viewing all apps, slide up or slide down.